now Ronda tags herself in.
There it goes, it's gonna blow.
A very volatile situation, combustible elements. But they cannot get physically involved with one another here. And from behind, Ronda's legal, rolled right through Morgan's pinfall attempt. And now Ronda, armbar, tap! Just like that. And now Ronda Rousey striking Charlotte Flair.
The bell rang. This is within the parameters.
Yeah, the match is over. Charlotte, Ronda, and Becky will be a part of the main event at WrestleMania, no matter what happens here, as these three women now look to beat the hell out of each other. And now you see security coming from the locker room area.
Well, there's been an extra
to make sure that the main event stays intact at WrestleMania.
There's extra security all around backstage area all day. They know how dangerous, how volatile this is. All three of these women beating the hell out of these security officers.
Yeah, Charlotte, Ronda, and Becky.
It's only a matter of time before all hell was going to break loose between these three women.
The hell's here.
Yeah,
it's broken loose.
Yeah, law enforcement officials now heading down to the ring to separate these three women. Ronda Rousey, Becky Lynch, and Charlotte Flair. Ronda Rousey will have none of it. Ronda Rousey said she was in the mood to fight tonight.
And one of the cops went down. Yeah. They're going to cuff Ronda Rousey. She knocked the police officer down.
Exactly, that's what's going to happen when you strike a law enforcement officer. However, I don't think it was intentional.
Oh, come on!
Becky Lynch now. Ronda Rousey's handcuffed. Rousey was handcuffed, and Lynch went right after her. They got to cut Lynch now.
That was real classy, Becky.
Charlotte Flair just watching on.
Again! And now Charlotte Flair striking a handcuffed Rousey. Somebody get this under control! Handcuff Flair!
Oh, no, Charlotte's gonna get cuffed.
Officials.
Oh, come on!
Charlotte's gonna be waiting for the perfect opportunity.
Becky handcuffed as well.
It's unfortunate this had to end up this way.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, cut it out! Cut it out! Calm down! Calm down, ladies! Calm down! Stop it! Calm down! Get her out! Get her out! Come on! Come on! Come on! Pull her out! Pull her out! Come on! Come on! Get her out! Get her out! Come on! Come on! Get her! Get her! Come on! Come on! Over here! Come on! Come on!
Kiss my boy, you little weirdo!
Come on! It doesn't stop!